Hi, hello viewers. Today we are doing more examples on indices and logarithm. There is a sample question here that I want us to look at. So if you are asked to solve a question like this, then how do we go about it? Based on the laws that we had learned previously, we have log of x plus 5 being equals to. So when we are looking at the laws of logarithm, we noted that when we are subtracting the logs and the bases are the same, or when the bases are not there, we assume the bases to be 10. So, and if you are subtracting the logs, we divide the indices. So I will have log of 4 divided by x plus 2. I'll have 4 divided by x plus 2. So at this point now, I drop the logs. When you drop the logs, now I equate the indices. That will mean x plus 5 is equals to 4 over x plus 2. Then you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, it will be this by that. So I'll have x plus 5 x plus 2 is equals to 4. So x times x will be x squared plus x times 2 will be 2x plus 5 times x will be 5x plus 5 times 2 will be 10 is equals to 4. So this will be x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equals to 4. Then I bring this one to this other side, that is collecting the like terms. So eventually I will have x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now if I bring this one to this other side, it will be minus 4 is equals to 0. So x squared plus 7x plus 10 minus 4 is 6 is equals to 0. So this one gives me a quadratic equation. Now we know how to handle a quadratic equation, so I'll first get the product. Product is given by the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, multiplied by c. The value at the point of c is 6, so that will be product of 6. And the sum is the coefficient of x, which is 7. So I look for the factors, two numbers that if I multiply, I get 6, and if I add, I get 7. So the two factors will be 1 and 7. So I'll write 7x as a product of these two factors. So that will mean I'll have x squared plus 6x plus x plus 6 is equals to 0. Then I factorize this and factorize that. The common factor here is x. So x goes into x squared, x plus 6. Then the common factor here is 1 into x plus 6. So what do you realize? You realize that this one and that one are the same. So I'll eventually have x plus 1, x plus 6 is equals to 0. So that means either x plus 1 is equals to 0, which means x can be negative 1, because if this one crosses the equal sign, the sign will change, or x plus 6 is equals to 0, so x can be, that one goes the other side, minus 6. So finally we'll say x is equals to negative 1 or negative 6, and that becomes your answer. So basically that is how that question is supposed to be solved. Okay, let's come to the second one. In this other one, this what we will do, we'll apply the same law, law of subtraction, which says log, we are subtracting the logs, so we'll have log of x plus 24 minus, so I can rewrite this one as log of 3 squared is equals to log into 9 minus 2x, right? Now, having written that, then I am now subtracting the logs, so I'll divide the indices. So I'll have log of x plus 24 over 3 squared gives me 9 is equals to log into 9 minus 2x. Now, and then I drop the logs now and equate the indices, so I'll have x plus 24 over 9 is equals to 9 minus 2x. So that is that. Then I cross multiply, so x plus 24 this one is times 1 and that one is times that, is equals to 9 times that is 81 minus 9 times 2x is 18x. So I collect the like terms. Negative 18 brought to this side will become 18x plus, so I'll have 2x plus 18x is equals to 81 minus 24. So 19x is equals to 57. Divide by 19, divide by 19. That cancels out with that. Here once there, 19 there, 3. So x is equals to 3. And that is the answer to that question. Then look at the last one. Hope you can see it clearly. It's 5. Now this one is a question that was there in 2002, 3 marks. So I'll write everything as base of base 3.
Teachers.